Hello. Yes, this is basically website, but not secure, and we need to enable the SSL on this website. Okay, so for this web page is working now on the simple normal HTTP. Okay, so first of all, you need to create security group. You just add only two rule, only the SSH, and you can check here only HTTP and SSH. Do not add HTTPS here. Okay, and then save root and check. And this is the public IP. And right now, this website is working on the without secure, not secure. So just implement the Cloudflare. So first of all, just copy this public IP, and then just go to the DNS name. I just click on I will use my own. Okay, just add on Cloudflare this page, and my domain name is, I already purchased my domain name from GoDaddy. So I just domain name is highsec.online, and just click on just quick scan for DNS record. Then scroll down and just go for free, continue. And now you need to just add this name server into the GoDaddy. Okay, this is the name server, and just go again and copy this one and add here. Okay, now just save and continue. Both name servers are here. Just refresh. Okay, both name server added now. Now just you need to configure DNS. Just this is the IP address. Just verify which IP address right now is 37. So you just here, just delete this one. This is the old one. So just delete this one and continue to activate activation. Just confirm. And also just continue, and then just scroll down, and already we just add the domain name services, and then review, get started, just enable this one, save, and then again always use HTTPS, and then finish. And now you need to configure DNS. Just click on DNS and just click on record. And now you need to add two record, one A record, just add the rate and public IP of the website which you are using now. Just copy and paste here. Okay. And just save this okay, just delete all the parameters, and now you just add and one more record, just add one more record. This is the CNAME, and and this time you just use for @, not just use name here. So this name is www, and any website just @ and save. Now both record are added. Okay, now you just go to the, your name server is also added. Now just check the settings. Now just go to the overview, and this time you, and also just check name servers now. Cloudflare is checking, so name server online, please wait few hours of the update. So now just check everything is okay. Now just refresh your page and just check isec.online. Yes, still is just check the DNS checker. Yes, 52 IP address, just and just check the and just verify. Click here and USB card one record, just age certificate. Use always this one, this option. Just check here. And now you just check verify and check. Yes, after 10 minutes, it enable and working now. It's working on the SSL. Okay, after 10 minutes, it activated, and now you can check the DNS through the DNS checker through all the just updated, and now this website is working from isec.online, working from is secure now.